Hi guys, Anjani here. Welcome to Tech Show.
We all have heard about computer programming gaining a lot of popularity in the past 3 decades. For many years, only a few people have known how to code. However, that's starting to change. The number of people learning to code is increasing year by year. Here at this section, my mission is to make a basic knowledge of programming to you. Programming is quite literally all around us, from the takeout we order to the movies we stream. Code enables everyday actions in our lives. Tech companies are no longer recognizable as just software companies. Instead, they bring food to our door, help us to get a taxi, influence outcomes in presidential elections, or act as a personal trainer. Technology plays a crucial role in our economy. Programming is no longer just for software engineers. Any person can benefit from learning to program, whether it's learning HTML to improve your marketing emails or creating your own website for the business. So let's start section. What is program? Program is a set of instructions given into computer to perform some specific task by the CPU, Central Processing Unit. So the instruction is a series of binary numbers arranged in a sequence which given to the computer performs some task. The computer is a dumb machine with a exceptional computational speed. It can give quick results to many of the complex scientific calculations, but it can't perform a task on its own. A computer needs set of instructions to do some task. This set of instructions is contained in a computer program. Computer program is basically in binary language, that is series of zeros and ones. A large bunch of programs makes the computer functional, without which the computer would be like a paralyzed machine. So you may think computer is an idiot person who does not know anything. Yes. So if you provide ingredients for cooking some dishes to an idiot person, you can't expect a delicious dish. However, if you provide ingredients along with the step-by-step procedure to prepare that dish, that person can prepare that dish, right? So this is the same concept with computers. For computers, the ingredients are data, might be an integer, string, images, videos, or anything, and the recipe is a program. So what is programming? Programming means the process of writing an algorithm into a sequence of computer instructions. Or you can simply say it is a process of writing programs. We generally the transform solution of a specific problem into computer language. It is the only way through which we can create our own programs and can execute them on a computer. Programming requires skills, logical thinking, and lots of experience. Programmers are the person who writes programs in a specific computing language. So the programming language may be Python, C, C++, anything. They're highly skilled, hardworking problem solvers. The world's first programmer was Ada Lovelace. She was widely known for her work on Charles Babbage analytical engine. I hope you enjoyed this section. Thanks for watching.